19 Top Health Benefits of Cinnamon Tea. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Here are the 19 top health benefits of cinnamon tea. Antioxidant. Anti-inflammatory. Helps the body to fight infections. Reduces bad cholesterol. Repairs damaged tissues in the body. Reduces risk of heart attacks. Reduces blood pressure. Reduces insulin resistance. Increases insulin sensitivity. Lowers blood sugar. Helps to treat diabetes. Protects against cancer. Helps improve neurodegenerative diseases. Helps treat Parkinson's disease. Helps treat Alzheimer's disease. Helps the body to fight bacterial and fungal infections. Reduces infections. Helps fight tooth decay and bad breath. Helps with weight loss. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.